Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. So this is Chin Rodriguez from Basagari Channel. A faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon na to, at ngayong gabing to, tignan natin na nagsabisay na ating mga gabay. So this is special gabay for the month of February 6 hanggang February 12 for the sign of Libra. So Libra, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices ng Spirit guys ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Libra ang ating mahagilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And hit notification bell for more videos update. Of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na yung hindi nag-escape ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik, liglig na gumapa, umiyay man balik sa inyo. And of course, guys, umpisa na natin ang laban for the sign of Libra. Angel Spirit Messages, give me an information. Ano kaya gusto sabihin sa inyo ng ating mga baraha? Libra. So let's see. And of course, there's the lovers. It's all about lovers. So may kaugnayan about sa love life. And of course, guys, there's the Knight of Pentacles. No, practicality, security, Insecure mo about sa love life mo. And of course, there's the Three of Cups. May third party. There's a third party. Oh my God. And of course, there's a Queen of Cups. Magkakaroon na ng healing, no? There's a healing. And of course, sinasabi dito, there's a mother eksena. Para may tutol dito. It's a mother figure. Something like that. Of course, there's Eight of Swords. Toxic. There's a toxicities. There's a toxic. Let's say, what is additional messages? So there's a tower moment for a sudden changes. No? May mga bagay na magaganap, no? May mga bagay na mababago. May mga bagay na, kumbaga, magkakaroon bago simula. So let's see what is the lover. So there's an Eight of Pentacles. So there's a collaborations and of course commitment, no? So ibig sabihin dito, magkakaroon ka ng higher level commitment and of course there's a King of Cups, so there's an offer, engagement proposal or something na kumbaga magdadagdag, kumbaga magiging kumbaga mag-upgrade ang in your relationship, no? And of course there's a Knight of Pentacles and of course there's the Two of Pentacles. Balance. So maging balance ka sa lahat ng bagay, no? Maging practical ka. And the Ace of Pentacles is here. So there's a new offer, the big money coming in. It's a big money. And because there's a Three of Cups, nagsi-celebrate ng, kumbaga may itong bagay na ito ay pagkakalob sa'yo. And of course, the Hermit card, there's a soul searching and soul enlightenment. Ibig sabihin, maglilinaw sa about sa spirituality na there's a mother figure na may something na, kumbaga, may epal or something. Ganon. So, let's see what is the Eight of Swords. Ano itong toxicities na to? Ano itong, kumbaga, toxic na to? There's a the Moon card, Revelation, Reveal. Kumbaga, malalaman mo at matutuklasan mo na yan, no? And of course, there's a Queen of Swords. There's a bigger picture. So, ibig sabihin dito, there's a major changes coming in for you na magdadala sa inang, kumbaga, ang layo-layo mo na sa magiging ikaw. Ang layo-layo mo sa dating ikaw. Pero malayo pa ang dadalhin ng eksena mo. So, let's see what is the lovers. And the Eight of Pentacles and the King of Cups. So, there's a the Sun card. Wow, ang ganda. So, there's a the Sun. Talaga nire-represent talaga na may something positive outcome pagdating sa relationship. So, let's see what is the King of what is the Nine of Pentacles and of course the Two of Pentacles. So, there's the Six of Wands. So, there's a victory. So, talaga pagdating sa finances and of course, pagdating sa resource of income mo, talagang pasabog na ipapanalo mo to. So, let's see what is the Three of Cups and the Ace of Pentacles. So, there's the Nine of Wands, slow and steady, no? Kumbaga, hinay-hinay lang, no? Talagang, di ba, unti-unti naman yan eh. Hindi naman yung madalian pagdating sa pagyabong or pag-usad or pagdating sa, di ba, karangyaan. So, there's a possible na dadaan ka sa tamang proseso. At least dumadaan ka sa tamang proseso. And because there's a Four of Pentacles, so there's an information, protect your power, protect your energy. Protection mo kung ano man ang meron ka. Baka sunggabin. Mag-ingat. There's information na parang binabantayan. Meron ditong, kumbaga, hindi naman siya mama's boy, hindi naman siya mama's girl or something. Kumbaga, itong mother figure is, kumbaga, masyadong epal, gano'n. So, let's see what is the Eight of Swords and of course the Moon card. And of course, represent the 5 of Wands. So, see complication. Ito yung toxic yung mother figure. Na ito yung, it's a mother or sister na toxic dito sa relationship nyo dalawa. And of course, there is a 5 of Wands na nagbibigay complication. Either sinusulsulan yung partner mo or either like that. Now, let's see what is the major tower moment. And of course, the Queen of Swords. So, there's the Queen of Pentacles. So, there's a practicality. Sa pagdating sa love life and course, career mo, maging practical ka. Diba? So, let's see what is the outcome. Ang outcome is the Ace of Cups. So, there's an, diba, romance. And of course, the Strength card. Talagang strongest energy yung inyong pagmamahalan sa isa't isa. Diba? Marami lang talagang, marami lang talagang sumusubok sa inyong relationship. Pero, diba, later on, magiging maayos naman. About naman sa career, there's the Hangman. Baguhin mo yung perspective, baguhin mo yung mindset mo. Kumbaga, kasi there's a King of Pentacles secure. Kailangan mo i-secure. Hindi ka pwedeng, hindi ka pwede dito sa mother and sister na to, kumbaga magtiwala na pagdating baka silang nagmamanage yung business nyo or something, kailangan mong kunin yan. Kasi there's an information na security. No, and of course, the Hangman, baguhin mo yung perspective mo, baguhin mo yung pananaw mo. Kailangan mo pag-alagaan yung finances nyo, yung source of income nyo. Huwag kayo magpapabudol dyan. So, let's see, additional messages for love life. Sa love life mo, there's the Justice. So, see, there's a karma. And then, of course, the karma will be served. No? Kung may mga ginawa sa'yo hindi maganda, ibabalik yan. No? Even sa relationship yung dalawa. Diba? Pilit man sirain. No? Sila ang masisira. Ganon. So, let's see additional messages for health. Sa health naman, there's a Page of Swords. So, there's an information. Get more information. And of course, there's a 2 of Cups. Partnership. So, ibig sabihin, parehas naman kayo dalawa ng yung person na nararamdaman sa isa't isa. And of course, there's an information na kumbaga may snakiness or something. Kumbaga may kumukuha na information sa inyo. Baka mag-cause ng, kumbaga ito, pagdating sa health nyo is, kumbaga combination kayong dalawa. Balance kayong dalawa. At meron kumukuha talaga impormasyon para, diba, para magkaroon ng eksena or stress sa iyo, diba, ganon. Additional messages nga, parang there's an involvement about the lovers, kaya bilang pasok agad ng lovers Sige nga, additional message, anong hanash nitong mother figure na to? Anong hanash niyan? Anong drama niya sa buhay? So, there's a 3 of Wands. So, ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga, 3 of Wands is waiting or something. Kumbaga, there's a Chariot card. So, there's sabi ko na nga ba, minsan, kumbaga, uma-action siya nang wala sa lugar or something like that. Kumbaga, itong tao na to, kumbaga, nagantay lang ng mali mo. Parang ganun ang inaano dito. So, let's see what is the magical fairy messages. Kaya, absolutely, parang hindi kanya bet. Parang ganun. So, let's see what is the magical fairy messages. Magical fairy messages. So, there is a let go. Hayaan mo lang, dead ka lang. As you surrender the needs to control, your relaxed energy rapidly attracts your desire. Diba? The more na nililet go mo, the more mo makukuha yung bagay na para sa'yo talaga. So, let's see what is the Yin and Yang Oracle card. So, let's see what is the Yin and Yang Oracle card. And of course, there's the seeds, no? Kung ano yung tinanim mo, siyang aanihin mo. Magbubunga lahat ng mga pinaghirapan mo. And of course, there's an remember awakening. Parang minumulat ka na sa mga, diba? Mga kinagisnan or kinabulatan mo or something. Kumbaga, magigising ka na sa katotohanan. And there's a celebration and abundance gift, no? There's a gift by the universe. And of course, there's a celebration. Pagdating sa love life, baka may wedding ako nasa sense dito, ha? Baka may ikakasal. Or of course, there's an abundance. May kasaganahan na nag-aantay sa inyong dalawa, ha? And because there is a rejection, so loss. So, ibig sabihin dito, marami talagang, diba? Marami talagang nadidisappoint sa mga eksena na yun. There's a losses. So, mag-ingat ka dito sa losses na to. So, let's see. Or sinasabi na rejection. I-reject mo raw yung mga taong may epal. I-reject mo raw. There's a toxic. So, let's see what is addiction messages for angel spirit guides. So, there's an infinite abundance. Talagang, magkakaroon ka ng kasaganahan dito, ha? Full time. So, talagang, ang kasaganahan sa'yo ay pabalik-balik at paulit-ulit sa'yo sa eksena mo. So, nag-circle yung blessing sa'yo. Ganda. Additional messages, there's a leadership. Take charge of the situation, no? Kumbaga, pagdating sa relationship niyo dalawa, dapat talagang, di ba, talaga sinisecure mo yung partner mo, no? Laban dyan sa family mo, lalo na kung sinisiraan sa iyo, 'di ba? Kumbaga ikaw yung mag-depend dun sa sa partner mo. Kasi kumbaga itong family mo is kumbaga it's either family o family niya na sinisiraan to both of you. So, ibig sabihin guys, kung baga cross-watcher out there, kung ikaw to ay naka-resonate ka, mother, sa iyo to or sa person mo, di ba? So, let's see what is additional messages. And because there's the happiness. No, may kaligayahan dito. Don't you worry, there's the happiness. You're on the right path. So, let's see what is Archangel Michael messages. Archangel Michael messages for you. Archangel Michael messages. And there's a focus divine perfect health. So, mag-focus ka sa health mo. Dead maka dapat sa kanya. Kasi parang kumbaga, diba, totoo kami sarili mo, mahalin mo yung sarili mo. And there's a self-respect. So, see, respetuhin mo yung sarili mo. And because your children's watch over by angels. So, ibig sabihin, mga anak mo, baka ginagabay ng ating mga angel spirit, guys. Diba? Meron yan yung may anak ka na, tapos hanggang ngayon, hindi pa rin tanggap ng mother-in-law, diba? Yung mga ganyan. So, let's see what is the chakra. And there's a complacency. Ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga wag mong hayaan na kumbaga mapag-iwanan ka ng panahon at pagkakataon. And there's an impasse na may humaharang sa situation mo. So, ibig sabihin tinututol yung something, kumbaga kaligayahan nyo or something like that. Kumbaga there's a completion, no? Wag mong hayaan mahuli ang lahat. Parang ganon. Or pagsisihan mo yung mga bagay-bagay. So, ibig sabihin dito guys, sa parang nagkakaroon ng realization dito na kumbaga i-secure mo yung mga bagay na dapat mo i-secure. Diba? There's a toxicity around you. So, let's see what is the angel's answer. So, ano magiging kasagutan dito sa mga katanungan dito sa reading na to? There's an opportunity. Maraming oportunidad na papasok dito. And there's a big changes coming in for you. I told you so. Dito pa lang sa eksena na to, malaking pagbabago ang magaganap. At may oportunidad. There's a romance, no? Pagdating sa love life pa, ang ganda. Alam niya, there's a love and career pasabog, no? There's a love and career pasabog sa ito. So, let's see what is the romance angels. Romance angels represent what? Romance angels, so sinasabi dito, there's a make the effort. So, kailangan mo mag-effort pagdating sa partnership. So, pagdating sa love, di ba? Kung bagay ko talaga magde-defend sa asawa mo or sa partner mo or sa jowa mo. So, let's see what is additional messages. And because there's an angel, support, guidance. No, talaga sinusuportahan ka ng ating angel spirit guides. And because there's a teacher and guardian, no, ginagabayan ka talaga at there's an inner voice na gumagabay sa'yo. And there's a love talaga. Talagang pinagbukulod kayo ng langit at tadhana, no? Para mahalin ang isa't isa, hindi para lokohin. Charis. So, let's see what is Archangel Raphael. Archangel Raphael. So, there's a good night's sleep. So, masarap ang tulog mo at sasarap ang tulog mo. Diba? Ikaw ba naman kasama mo yung taong mahal mo? Ay, pag natutulog, hindi. Di ba sasarap ang tulog mo? So, let's see what is additional messages. And because your life is on canvas, so there's a manifestation. May mga bagay, di ba, na kapag gusto mo ay magagawa mo at makukuha mo. And of course, there's a child of the cosmos, so there's a universe. The intelligence of the universe lies within you. So talagang, di ba, binibigyan ka ng kaliwanagan at kaisipan at katalinuhan ng ating puong may kapal at ng ating, di ba, ng ating universe. Talagang binibigyan yung mga bagay na dapat mong malaman. So let's see what is the energy. The energy represent second chakra Archangel Uriel about sa finances. So talagang tutulungan ka about sa finances dito. And there's a first chakra Archangel Michael for protection. Pinangangalagaan, pinoprotektahan ka ng ating Archangel Michael. Nandito sa Archangel Michael, Archangel Uriel. Oh my God. Talagang ginagabayan ka. So let's see what is the Moonsology. Hold your vision, panghawakan mo yung hinala mo, panghawakan mo yung intuitions mo, panghawakan mo yung visions mo. Then of course, there's luck is in your side. Talagang swerte talaga yung pumapabor sa'yo. Ikaw ba naman di sa swerte, love life and career? Diba? And because there's oh my God, the answer you need is coming. Talagang mga katanungan mo ay masasagot na. Oh my goodness. So let's see what is the Jesus loving quotes. Jesus loving quote said, knock and shall be open to you. So, kumakatok na ang ating Panginoon. So, pagbuksan mo na. So, maraming oportunidad na papasok sa'yo. So, nasa sa'yo na lang kung tatanggapin mo o hindi. Diba? So, let's see what is the angel's number. Angel's number represent the 8. I am successful. So, sinasabi dito, magiging successful ka in the near future. And of course, sinasabi dito, your talent for setting and reaching your goals is like no other. You are self-sufficient and capable of achieving your ambitions, representing of the eve and the flow, that infinite loop of creation. So, ikaw yung gagawa ng sarili mong, kumbaga, tagumpay. Diba? Ikaw yung magdadala sa yung eksena na yan. So, sinasabi sa there's an infinite. 8. So, represent. There's an represent, kumbaga, endless. Parang gano'n. Walang katapusan na something like that. Na parang magbibigay sa'yo ng, diba? Tagumpay. So, let's see what is the messages of life. There's an I am free. So, sinasabi dito guys, today, I find the veil of my ego has lifted and visions of my new life has appeared. So now, I am focused on my inner growth. I listen closely to the voice of my heart remain, steadfast in the energy of love. And that I find there, I am free now of my duality, fear, and judgment. And now, I move forward to the path to the inner face. So, ibig sabihin talagang, diba, pinapalaya mo yung mga sarili mo, no? Kumbaga, sinisurrender mo kay God, bahala na, no? Kumbaga, there's an unfolded naturally, may mga bagay na talaga ibibigay sa'yo kung talagang para sa'yo, di ba? Kumbaga, kapag talagang ipagkakaloob, di ba? Why not? So, may mga bagay dito na parang handa ka sa ipagkakaloob sa'yo at handa ka na tanggapin yung mga bagay na ibibigay sa'yo. So, guys, this is special gabay for the month of February 6 hanggang February 12 for the sign of Libra. So, Libra, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So, once again, this reading is a general reading lamang. Hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat guys sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel. Lalo-lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik dingling na gumapang mabiyay manubalik sa inyo. Of course guys, maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!